This is a used 2013 Ford Edge, powered by all-wheel drive, a 3.5-liter 6-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include hill start assist, leather seats, heated seats, Bluetooth connectivity, Ford Sync voice activation, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input and auxiliary input, steering wheel controls, memory seats. Safety was made a priority with these features: a backup camera, curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Town & Country Sales is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at West 7600 US Highway 2, Kinnesec, Michigan 59876.